It's a full rainbow now.
Let's get it!
I mean, I got a little barrel. So we took a boat out here because during the hurricane, you're not allowed to get onto this island without a pass, a fucking hurricane pass. So we find these random people. We asked like 20 people, and then these people are like, yeah, we'll take you out. And we get here, we got some of the homies, we're like, yeah, they'll give us a ride home. But they don't have space for us, so we're kind of stranded out here now. We got 7 miles to walk back to our car. So, it's gonna be an adventure, boys.
Compass point you home, calling out from the east. Compass point you anywhere, closer to me. If we make it out alive from the depths of the sea. Compass point you anywhere, closer to me. Where you are, I will be. Miles high in the deep. Where you are, I will be. Anywhere between. Take me to the garden of your ecstasy. Make myself a heaven from your fallen leaves. Woven in the fabric of your tapestry. Cover me in honeysuckle memories. And compass point you home, calling out from the east. Compass point you anywhere, closer to me. If we make it out alive from the depths of the sea. Compass point you anywhere, closer to me. Where you are, I will be. Miles high in the deep. Where you are, I will be. Anywhere in between. I will take the pieces and put together. Even when the grass isn't green enough. Taking all the branches, build ourselves a mansion. Love you in the way that you needed love. Where you are, I will be. Where you are, I will be.
So this is how we're getting home right now. Just up to some random dude's house. That's where we arrived. Hell yeah. He's giving us one, but getting time back in here, boy. Cops told us we couldn't get on the island to skim. But here we are. Had a fat session out there. And we got a ride. Now we're chilling. Walking back over the bridge because the dude didn't want to, drive off the island. So he just dropped us off before the bridge.
Doesn't make any sense, but okay.
No, that's whatever. We're chilling now. Look at this shit, dude. It's beautiful. I enjoy this. Thank you. We had a nice boat ride over. It was like 40 minutes to the end. And we sent it. It's raining a little bit. Low rain, but we're chilling.